Good morning once again. In yesterday's class, we have discussed exercise 9.2, in which we have seen multiplication of a monomial by another monomial. Today, we will discuss the next topic, multiplying a monomial by a polynomial. So, yesterday I gave you this question. Have you got the answer of this question, class? This is actually binomial into binomial. This we have not learned till now. You can tell me the solution of this question that you have found. Giriraj is saying 2x square plus xy square. Okay. Vardhan is saying okay. Okay, I'm giving you a hint. Most of you are wrong because you don't know how to multiply these. I'm telling you the hint. If you have two monomials like this, we multiply in this way. We multiply this a into complete bracket c plus d, then a plus sign, then b into complete bracket c plus d, like this. A multiplied with c plus d plus b multiplied with c plus d. Use this formula, and again I will discuss it tomorrow. Okay, you are not getting the correct answer, so use this formula and we will discuss it tomorrow. Okay, now let's see today's topic, multiplying monomial by a monomial and polynomial product. It is easier one, so let's see. We have already done some questions on this. We have done a product of monomial and binomial, but this is polynomial. You can have binomial, you can have trinomial, you can have quadrinomial, whatever you want. So first, solve a question for me. Please solve this one. 3xy multiplied with give me the answer of this one where we are multiplying a monomial with trinomial. Please give me the answer of this question. Multiplying a monomial with trinomial. Please show question. But this is the question, na? Above one is gone. Do this one. Yuvraj, solve this question. 3xy multiplied with bracket 2x plus 3y plus 4z. So we have, okay, answer came from Smridhi, 2x cube plus y cube of previous one. Okay, of previous one. We will check it tomorrow. I gave you the solution. Try that one. Give me answer of this one, beta, fast. This one from Krishna came 4x square plus 9xy square plus 12xyz. From Vardhan also it came 6x square y, 9xy square plus 12xyz from Vardhan, from Krishna. Then we have the Darpan. Darpan, it seems you are wrong. Vaibhav Gulati, no, I think it's wrong, beta. Sir, my also 6. Okay, Krishna is changing to 6-1 now. Okay. Abhinav is saying the same answer, 6x square y plus 9xy plus 12xyz. I think this is the correct one. Srishti is saying the same answer now. Okay. Harshul not putting any plus sign. Joel, okay. Now see class, let's solve it. As I have told you, we will distribute this monomial over these trinomials. We will distribute this monomial over these trinomials. Let's see how. The first step is 3xy into 2x. Then we have a plus sign. Put the plus sign. Then again we have 3xy into 3y. Then again we have a plus sign. And 3xy into 4z. This is the first step. Second step is to multiply these. 3 2s are 6, x into x, x square, and y is alone, so y will remain. Yes, Smriti. The next step is 3 3s are 9, x is alone, y and y will multiply to make y square. Again we have 3 into 1, 3 will remain. This is 4 or y? Sorry, this is 4. Sorry. 3 4s are 12, x, y, z. This is the answer. But Smriti, where is your xy in the last step? In the last term. Class, I hope all of you were able to understand this one. Prisha gave the correct answer now. Just also gave the correct answer. Now, let us try one more question. Now, let me little bit complicate this one. Simplify the expressions and then evaluate. Okay. There is a question, simplify and then evaluate. Sir, xy square will mean the square of xy both. No, Soham. If it is xy square, it means square is of y only. If it is xy bracket square, in that case it means it is for both of them. Okay, Soham? If square is coming only on y, it is of y. But if bracket is coming, then that means it is for both of them, because we say whole square. Here we say only square, there we say whole square. Is it clear to you now, Soham? Please tell fast. Soham. Okay, but the agility you show to change the picture background and all these things, you don't show the agility over here in the chat box. Yes, Yuvraj. What are you asking, sir? And please ask. Okay. Simplify and then evaluate at x is equal to 1. The question is x into x minus 2 plus 2 is equal to, that only. We have an expression x into x minus 2. Yes, beta, this is power sign. Class, first simplify this expression and then evaluate the answer. So you will give me two answers now. You will give me the simplified form and you will give me the evaluation also. Give me the simplified form first and then give me what will you get if you put x equal to 1 in the expression. The simplified form came from Krishna, x square minus 2x, okay, plus 2 also, Krishna, plus 2 you forgot. Hiteshri gave the correct answer. Vardhan gave the correct answer now. So you have to put, after you have to simplifying, you have to put the value. Soham, you forgot to multiply x with minus 2. Sir, 1 only came. Okay. So now we will first simplify it. Simplifying means open the brackets, whatever you have. So if you open the bracket, what will happen? You will have x into x, then you will have a minus sign, then you will have x into minus 2, sorry, only 2, because I've already taken minus sign, sorry. We have already discussed the minus sign. So 2 plus 2. So the answer is x square minus 2x plus 2. This is the simplified form. Now we have to evaluate at x is equal to 1. Class, we just need to put the value 1 in the given equation. What will happen? If you put 1 in the place of x, first you will get 1 square minus 2 into 1 bracket plus 2. What I have done? I have replaced all the x with 1. Yes, you are correct, beta. Now just solve it. 1 square is 1, 2 is 2 only, and 2. These two will cancel. Answer is 1. Are Srishti, how you got 3? It is 1 only. Please check again. Yes, you were correct, beta Harshul. Srishti, please check again, beta. How you got 3? Soham, you also. How you got 3, beta? Answer is 1 only. Try another question. I'm giving you the second part. I'm giving you one more part. Try this. Simplify and evaluate. Okay, the question is 2y bracket 2y minus 7 minus 4 y minus 4 minus 63. First you have to simplify this and then you have to evaluate at y is equal to minus 2. Please do it fast. Try to simplify this. Try to write the like terms together. If you are able to add them, subtract them, do that. And finally, when you have got the final statement, then only Srishti is saying, sir, the answer should be 3 only. Okay, 1 second, beta Srishti. Let me clear your doubt. See, Srishti, when you multiplied this, you got x square minus 2x plus 2. Any issue in this thing? Srishti, do you agree with this? Srishti, do you agree with this statement, beta? Yes. Now, Srishti, we have to check at x equal to 1. So what will we do? We will put x is equal to 1 in the equation. So we have x square. That means 1 square. Then we have minus 2. Then again we have our x. Put 1 its place plus 2. Now, Srishti, you know 1 square is 1. You know 2 ones are 2. You know 2 is 2 only. 2 minus 2 is 0. You know this thing. Srishti, you know 2 minus 2 is 0. What is remaining? 1 is remaining. And that is why the answer is 1 only. Okay. Now, in this case, you are saying, Yuvraj, Joel gave the simplification is 4y square minus 14y minus 4y plus 16 minus 63. But it is not simplified. Joel, it can further be simplified. Please simplify it further and tell me the answer. Harshul is saying 4y square minus 4y minus 54. Okay. Who else is given? Krishna is giving the answer 5. Okay. Anyone else? Giriraj is saying the statement will be 10y minus 47 plus 4y square. Okay. Anyone else? We got 3 simplified forms. But as Smriddhi, it is not simplified. Simplify it first. Aryan is saying, no, Aryan, not simplified. Prisha is saying 4y square minus 10y minus 47. Okay. Hiteshri is saying 4y square plus 28y plus 79. Enough. We have seen 5-6 solutions from your side. Now we will see from my side. What will we do? First, we will open the brackets. So what will happen? 2y into 2y. Then we have minus sign. Again 2y into 7. Then we have minus. This one is going to confuse. So let's see right like this. It will be minus 4y and minus into minus is plus. Plus 16. Class, please see again. This was minus 4. So minus 4 into y is minus 4y. Minus 4 into minus 4 is plus 16. Then we have minus 63. Now further solving it, we will get 4y square minus 2 sevens are 14y minus 4y minus how much will come, beta? Please this tell me. 63 and 16 difference is how much? It is 47. Okay. Now we can solve it further, class, because these are like terms. So 4y square minus 18y minus 47 is the answer. Did anyone get this answer? Please tell me. Did anyone get this after simplification? Krishna got this. Okay. Joel also. Now, class, we have to check at y equal to -2. Harshul is saying, sir, 10y will come. Beta, how 10y will come? You can see 2y into 7y is -14y because negative sign is there. Similarly, -4 into y is -4y. They both are of negative sign. So they will be added only na, with negative sign. If one was negative, one was positive, at that case, you were correct. Both are negative. Okay. Now see. Okay, now you got this. At y equal to -2. Let us find the answer now. At y equal to -2, again put the values in bracket. I have told you, whenever you put a value of some variable, always put in a bracket. So 18 -2 minus 47. Now tell me, -2 square is +4, minus it into -2 is +36. What will we get? 16 plus 36 minus 47. Okay, you are saying -5. Okay, let us see. Class, tell me what is 16 plus 36? What is 16 plus 36? 52. Very good. Minus 47. And the answer is 5. Krishna, you were correct. Joel, you were correct. Yash Khandelwal, correct. So answer is 5. Now you want some more questions, class? Sir, 4 will be minus. Soham. Okay. Soham, it is -2 square. Soham, this is -2 square. It means -2 into -2. By square of any number means you are multiplying that number 2 times. That means square of -2 is -2 into -2. So we will get 2 2s are 4. Negative into negative will become positive. Soham, is it fine now? Soham? Yes. Now try this example, please, class. Add 5m, 3 minus m, and 6m square minus 16m. Please find this answer. You have to solve them separately and then you have to add them. Please find the answer. There are 2 expressions, you have to add them. Tell me the answer fast. Yes, class, tell me the answer. Okay, answer came from Krishna. Minus m plus m square. Srishti giving the same answer. Joel is saying 21 m square minus 16m from Joel. Harshul giving the same answer, minus m plus m square. Soham is saying 0. Soham beta, please check. Hiteshri is saying minus m square, reverse 1 from Hiteshri. Rachit saying Krishna 1, okay. Khushi saying minus m square plus m square. Khushi, if this is the answer, it is 0 for you. Please check again. Beta Rachit, I got it, beta. You are using the same answer again, na? Don't push like that. Rudra is saying minus m plus m square, okay. So let's see. Let's see. First, we will write the question. Question is saying plus this thing. This is the question. There are 2 expressions. They want us to add them. So first we need to solve the inside brackets. What will happen? Distributive property. So 5m into 3 minus 5m into m plus, this is already simplified, so no issue. Sir, wait please, Joel. Do it fast, beta. Already we have waited, na? I have to do one more question. 5 into 3 is 15m minus 5 into m will give you 5m square plus 6m square minus 16m. Now if you observe class, this 15m and 16m are like terms. 16 is the larger one with negative sign, so we will get minus m. And in these two, the 6m square is larger one, so it is plus m square. So answer is m square minus m. Same thing. Whether you say minus m plus m square or you say m square minus m, it is same thing. Now, last question, try fast, then we will finish today's class. Yes, Joel. Last question for you. Subtract 3pq p minus q from 4pq 2p plus q. Tell me the answer. You have to subtract the first term from the second term. Please, you have only 2 minutes, then I will start because time is less. And after these questions, you all are ready for 9.3. Try to solve as much as you can in 9.4. Sorry, 9.3. The first fight is to understand which expression will come first expression or second expression. Class, the first understanding is which expression will come on the left side, first one or second one. Beta, it is 2p, it is 2. Okay, so first of all, it is from this thing. So this will come first. The main question is 4pq plus 2p plus q whole bracket minus 3pq p minus q. So there are two different kingdoms. Kingdom number 2 and kingdom number 1. In their kingdom, there is a fight going to happen in future. But before the fight, there are some internal issues. Class, before the main fight, there are some internal issues that we should clarify first. Because with internal issue, if you go for a fight, you will never be able to win that. So first we will try to solve the internal conflicts. The internal conflict in the kingdom number 2 is very simple. You will get 4pq into 2p plus 4pq into q. Then you have minus sign. Then you have second kingdom in which there is internal conflict. Try to resolve the conflict. We call it suljhana. We are resolving the issue. 3pq into q. So we are very close to this resolution. Okay, Harshal giving the answer also. Class, what will we get? 4 into 2, 8, p into p square, q, plus 4 into 1 is 4 only, p is p only, and q square. This is the first resolution, and minus sign is there. Second resolution is 3p square q minus 3pq square. Now, are you able to understand? Class, am I correct till this point? Am I correct till this point? Now, as we have seen in many earlier stories of kings, the elephants used to fight with elephants, horses used to fight with horses. Similarly, here also we will have like terms. Now let the fight begin. we will have 8p square q plus 4pq square minus, oh Krishna, sorry, I saw your answer, beta, don't worry. Actually, sometimes the chat box chats are coming at a very high speed, so I forget to do that. So class C, when the doors of kingdom 1 will open, when the doors of kingdom 1 will open, they will be shocked to see negative sign in front of them, because this negative will change their lives. This negative will change their lives. It will make them different sign. Yes. So now we have to see which are elephant, which are horses. So these are the elephants, these are the horses. Let them simplify each other. We will get 8 minus 3, 5p square q, and we will get plus 7pq square. After all this conflict, we have got the solution, and this is the answer. So class, with this, I am finishing the class.